If you're wondering how to configure Tenable for GDPR compliance, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps, keeping it quick and easy so you can get your system set up properly without any stress. Stick around because I'll also be sharing an exclusive bonus for you at the end that can save you time and money. To get started, you need to understand how Tenable fits into your GDPR compliance strategy. Tenable, a leading vulnerability management software, helps businesses identify and fix security flaws in their systems. When configured for GDPR, it ensures your organization is securing personal data and maintaining a compliant security posture. The first thing you want to do is identify sensitive data. With Tenable, you can scan your network for systems that store, process, or transmit personally identifiable information, PI. This is crucial for ensuring that sensitive data is properly protected and in compliance with GDPR's data protection principles. Next, configure your scans to focus on GDPR-specific vulnerabilities. Tenable allows you to create custom scan policies that specifically look for vulnerabilities tied to personal data, like unauthorized access or exposed information. This way, you can pinpoint risks that could lead to data breaches or other violations of GDPR. The third thing to focus on is set up alerts and notifications. GDPR requires timely reporting of breaches. With Tenable, you can configure alerts to notify you whenever vulnerabilities are found that could put personal data at risk. This ensures you're always aware of potential issues before they become critical. Next, you want to configure reports. Tenable makes it easy to generate compliance reports that are tailored to GDPR requirements. These reports can help demonstrate your efforts to protect data to auditors and regulatory authorities. You can use them to track your ongoing compliance status and fix issues as they arise. The fifth thing is use the asset tagging feature. Tenable lets you tag assets that are handling sensitive information. This makes it easier to prioritize security efforts on the most critical systems and ensures your data protection strategies are focused on the right areas. Asset tagging also helps you quickly generate the necessary reports for GDPR. The last thing to keep in mind is continuous monitoring. GDPR compliance isn't a one-time event. Tenable allows for ongoing monitoring of your network to ensure that no new vulnerabilities or exposures occur that could violate GDPR. Regular monitoring is key to maintaining compliance and avoiding costly penalties. As you can see, configuring Tenable for GDPR compliance is all about setting up the right scans, alerts, reports, and continuous monitoring to protect sensitive personal data. Before you go, remember that you can use Tenable completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. This link also comes with exclusive bonuses that can help you save time and money in setting up your security systems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trial linked below so you can get started with Tenable today and ensure GDPR compliance for your organization.